Hello everyone, I am Vismay. Today I will show you the solution of account suspend on Upwork. If you have received the email like account restricted, Upwork policy violation and email like this, then click on here link. As you can see the same email it's showing here, then you have to respond from here. You can also reply from the email. If you receive this kind of email, then review the Upwork's terms of service. After reading Upwork's terms of service, you can respond like this. If you have received the email like what's next, while restricted you will not be able to post any jobs or start any contracts. To get back unblocking opportunities on Upwork, all you need to do is review Upwork's terms of service and reply to this ticket to confirm that you will follow them going forward. If you have received the same email like this, then you can respond like this. I have reviewed the Upwork's terms of service again and I confirm that I will follow them moving forward. I will make sure this issue does not happen again. In 24 hours you will get response from the Upwork teams. As you can see, I have received the email from the Upwork team. We are happy to inform you that your account has been restored. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.